and we are celebrating Canada Day. Yeah. So today I went to the store and I almost didn't get anything because tomorrow is Canada Day and everything is pretty much sold out. But I was lucky to find some shirts for the kids. These are for the boys. And I got this one for Michaela. So this here is mostly like a maple leaf thingy going on. And then I got these for like me and Daddy. We're gonna be wearing like jerseys. So yeah, we're ready. Yes guys, it's Canada Day and we are ready to party. It's raining outside, but that's not gonna stop us. We're going downtown. Rito. Let's cross the street. Okay, everybody's hungry right now, and so we're gonna try to find something to eat. We found this little restaurant downtown on the street in the Byward Market, and we're gonna get some chicken wings and fries. And I like this little spot that we found because they had jerk side sauce, jerk sauce on the side. So I got that for my chicken wing. It was so spicy and so nice, guys. Love it. Okay, now that we're belly full, we're gonna keep it moving. This is Ottawa, the capital city of Canada. So as you guys can see here, earlier on in the day, we had some soldiers showing their respects, especially to our veterans and those that we lost at war. Yeah, I see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.